Hi, today I'll show you how to buy and sell stocks and ETFs on Questrade. If you haven't already signed up for Questrade, you can use my link down in the description for a free $50 credit in commissionable trades. So you can begin by searching the symbol on the left or on the right of the webpage, and you can find the symbol of the company you want to buy on Google. So this tab shows you how to send an order. Quantity is pretty self-explanatory. So for the order type, there's two that you'll be using 90% of the time, and that is the market price and limit price. I'll only explain the first two. In the essence of time, the rest will be in the description. For market price, it means that you want to buy or sell at the current price listed on the stock exchange. As for the limit order type, the order will only execute at a specified price. Duration means how long you want your order to be valid for. Again, the main ones you want to use is day and GTC. The rest will be in the description. Day means for the current day. GTC means good till cancelled, which the order will remain open until it's filled or it's manually cancelled. For example, if I wanted to buy 100 Apple stocks today at $200, I would set my quantity to 100, limit price to 200, duration to day, and press buy. On the other hand, if I wanted to sell 100 Apple stocks at $300 in the future, I would go to positions and I would click onto my holdings, buy, sell, and I will set the quantity to 100. I'll set the limit price to 300, and I'll change the duration to GTC good till cancelled, and I'll press sell. You can also modify or cancel your trades that have not been executed by going to orders and pressing modify or cancel as needed.